Neighbors, neighbors, neighbors. Hey, my AK, please come. Uganda, please.
What is the matter? What is it? Where is she? Where is she?
She's in level. Where is she? My wife will go to she's under level. And the women are there with her.
It's okay.
You got
It's okay. It's okay.
Ndoka, my son.
Calm down. Now calm down. You shall go well with your wife and the baby this time, eh? The girls are not sleeping. They are not sleeping. I know they will not
Ndoka, my son. The girls see everything.
Yes.
Yes. They know your problem. This time around, it shall be well with us. Cool down.
Let it not be like in other times.
It's okay.
Please,
It's okay.
let her live.
It will not.
Let him live. Let him not die. Hey!
He will leave.
Oh. God. Hey! Oh God.
Why are you?
What is it?
Why?
What is the matter?
What is it?
I'm sorry, Mazundoka.
Hey, sorry, what?
Your wife did not make it, but your daughter did.
Hey, girl.
Yes.
Hey!
No!
Your daughter.
It's okay. My brother, it's okay. It's okay.
And what on you, mate?
Nye mụrụ nwa na-ebe akwa, egbe mụrụ nwa na-ebe akwa, weta ụzịza weta ose, weta amụma ngororo ofe, ka ụmụ nnụnụ lacha ya, ka ọgba otutu gbọgbo ya, ugbo ugbenu. Nkasi, my daughter, you are truly a child of consolation. Your brothers that came before you, 7 of them all died. I never had their first cry. I had the first cry of my baby the day you were born. It was unfortunate that I didn't see your mother again. She died after your birth. Oh! Because you are the only thing I have now. Be a good girl. Be a good girl, my daughter. Oh? Since the gods have refused to give me a son and heir, you are everything I have now. Oh? I will cherish you throughout my life as long as I live here on earth.
Nkasi obi, onye obi, ọ bụ nwanyị bụrụ nwoke. Ọ danụ ntị ọ dị ekwe ekwe. Nkasi obi, onye obi, ọ bụ nwanyị bụrụ nwoke. Ọ danụ ntị ọ dị ekwe ekwe. Ọ na-eje ka ndị amị, heya heya, ọ na-agba karate, danger danger. Ị ma na adịghị alụ, were ma mpawa, otie gị ọkpọ. You don't suffer. Nkasi obi, onye obi, ọ bụ nwanyị bụrụ nwoke. Ọ danụ ntị ọ dị ekwe ekwe. Nkasi obi, onye obi, ọ bụ nwanyị bụrụ nwoke. Ọ danụ ntị ọ dị ekwe ekwe. Ọ na-eje ka ndị amị, heya heya, ọ na-agba karate, danger danger. Ị ma na adịghị alụ, were wombonu. Otiego, 1 blow, 7 apples. On a big if you want to make on a one. Chirimayo is again. Oh, what the quaggy, it's a go. On a big if you want to make on a one. Chirimayo is again. Oh, what the quaggy, it's a go. Nkasi obi, onye obi, ọ bụ nwanyị bụrụ nwoke. Ọ danụ ntị ọ dị ekwe ekwe. nkasi obi onye obi ọ bụ nwanyị bụrụ nwoke ọ danụ ntị ọ dị ekwe ekwe nkasi obi onye obi ọ bụ nwanyị bụrụ nwoke ọ danụ ntị ọ dị ekwe ekwe nkasi obi onye obi ọ bụ nwanyị bụrụ nwoke ọ danụ ntị ọ dị ekwe ekwe
Ego. Are they not too heavy for her?
My dear, who doesn't know Nkasi in this village? She is not an ordinary girl that you can go with.
Really?
If not for those 2 bombs on her chest and that hole between her legs, that girl that just passed us now is a man.
I can feel it all over.
She has the strength of an elephant.
Ha! Man, this one no be woman, no. This one na man, real man. No be woman like me and you. If you go near her, you go break you to two. Nah, I am not see you. I'm a fine man.
Good morning, no.
My daughter.
Good morning.
Good morning, my daughter. How are you?
I'm strong and vibrant.
And your father?
Yeah, he's lying there as usual.
Okay. Please, when you get home, greet him for me.
Yeah, I will.
Casio.
Yeah.
This load is too much for you. You should know that you are a woman. You are not a man.
Yeah, see this load, eh? It's heavy, but you know the stream is very far. Instead of me to go there 10 times with one gallon, I will just go at once so that I don't have to go back. I carry everything at once. I don't like long journey.
My daughter, I bet you are a woman. Women are not meant to be carrying such heavy loads. It's not good for the feminine nature.
Yeah, I know. I know, but this one, it's not as if it's not heavy. But if I had space in this my truck, I would put more, like 5, and carry it at once. That's the 2 days now. I will not have to go to stream. It's easier like that.
My daughter, why are you turning yourself into a man? Okay, my daughter.
I don't hear.
Okay.
Thank you.
When you get home, meet your father for me.
Oh.
Go well,
Nkasi obimo okwi biara no wakasi mobio mwakego nkemjika sogi biaro wa ekasi mobio Nkasi mwamo Amumu no toto Nkasi mwamo
Kasi my love, you guys are now you think I cannot hit you with this wheelbarrow?
For where? My love. Why, Oma?
Who's your love?
You now.
Tan Seba po. Take after for that stupid hide and seek.
You've cut your hair. Ineme was up. I did not see any other style is Udele Boncha. Look at
that. Get away from here. Me upon news on right now before I disfigure your face.
What is even wrong with you? Don't you think it's an honorable thing for somebody like me to fall in love with you?
Love a fancy. You are who? My very mentor Ponunuzo.
If I leave that thing, I'm not going anywhere.
Oh yeah, touch it again.
Give it again.
Touch it again, let me. Now take your time, oh. Take your time, oh. Okay.
Let me tell you something, you're wasting your time. It's me and you. Let issue the lemon. You're wasting your time, okay? In this village, it's me and you. Any other person tries in your way, look at it, it's me and you. I'll be the one to marry you. You, Nkasi. Forget you and you.
Nkasi mamo, Nkasi obimo. Okwi biara no wakasi mobio. Mwakego, nkemjika. Sogi biarowa ekasi mobio. Nkasi mamo, amumu no toto. Nkasi mamo, onwamu machijie. Negara pomo na umu negara panye naba. Nkasi mamo.
Chiwetalu, please, I know we are owing you. Please, give us more time. Biko.
Yes. What more time? What more time do you want me to give to you? Haven't I given you enough time?
But the money is not yet available.
The money is not yet available. Even if I give you till infinity, I know you can never produce that money. The only option you are leaving me with now is to go in there and carry the valuable properties I have to use and recover my money. Yes.
Don't do this thing to me, Biko. This will be wickedness. Don't do this thing to me.
What? Hey! What's going on? Now, what is it?
My daughter, I borrowed money from this chief long time ago, but I was unable to pay.
So?
Yes. I have to come here and carry his properties to recover back my money.
Nyamba. Yeah, it's not going to happen. Huh? You understand? No, it is not going to happen.
Are you talking to me?
Is there anybody else here? Of course I'm talking to you.
You are talking to me?
Yes! I said it is not going to happen. Nah, Chief, wait, let me tell you something. He is owing you money. I agree. Nah, he cannot pay the money right now. But I also agree. Nah, but you to come into my uncle's house and carry his properties. Nah, Chief, that one is not going to happen.
How dare you talk to me like that? Chief, I could carry one of Igbo land you are talking to like this. What are you doing?
Hey, Uncle, don't beg them, oh. Don't beg them. Nah, you want to come and carry his things? Come and carry.
Go, what are you doing with us? Go in there and take it.
They don't pay us, so allow us to walk. Oh.
Come and carry. Come now.
See this girl. What?
Now carry it. Nah, come now. Hey, now you're running away. Look at that idiot. Now come and carry the things that you kept in the house. Come now. Come now. Now come, let me show you what I can do. Nonsense.
Okay.
Now, Uncle, don't mind. Anytime this man comes here, now just let me know. Look at them. Come and carry the things that you get. Now, village local. Hey, imagine. Yoshi.
I know they will not try that.
They cannot come down.
Cassie, help me stretch my leg. Nkasiobi.
Papa.
Nkasiobi.
Papa.
Nkasiobi.
Yeah, Papa, I'm answering now.
I have warned you not to fight like a man. Women are not meant to fight. Huh? Why do you find it hard to obey a simple instruction?
Yeah, Papa, I didn't fight anybody. I don't go out to look for anybody's trouble.
So what was it that happened today?
Yeah, Papa, you don't expect me to just fold my arms now and watch all this woman nadi them come and start harassing my uncle. Eh? Yeah, those people are bad. Can you imagine? How can that man just come and say he wants to carry my uncle's property? Yeah, is it because his sons are not around? Eh? If he and Acho and Maduka were to be in town, would that man have just come from nowhere and say, nah, he wants to gather uncle's property and take it away? Papa, leave that, you know.
So you are now your uncle's hitman. Eh? Kill away Wachuku. The tiger. Or Power Mike. Which one do I call you now?
Yeah, Papa, I'm not any one of them. I am Nkasi. Nkasi Obi. That's my name.
Nkasi Nwam. My child of consolation. You know you are the only thing I have now. Please, I don't want anything to happen to you. Oh?
Yeah, Papa, nothing will happen to me. Eh? Don't worry. Nothing can happen to me. I'll be fine. Papa, I will not be alive and allow all these people to come and take you people for a ride. No, that's why I am here. To take care of you and my uncle. Don't worry.
My children, both of you should go and thank Nkasi for me. In fact, that girl is a blessing to this family. She takes care of me and my brother. With all her heart, she fetches water, washes our clothes, cooks for us. And yet, she stood gidigba and fought Chief Akokaria and his troop. Had it been that she did not intervene, hey, Anyamaka Fontin.
Papa, Nkasi is our sister, and we will go and thank her. In fact, we've already thanked her. Okay. But the point that she fought those men is not the problem there. It's not the issue. But the point there is that there is something wrong in this family. Something is terribly wrong in this family.
Evil.
Yes.
Evils around this family, Papa.
Look at us, myself and my brother. Look at us. Look at you and your brother, Uncle Ndaka. Both of you are the only surviving sons of your parents. That is our grandparents. Uncle Ndaka had 7 boys. They all died during birth. Uncle Ndaka's wife died during childbearing. Okay, look at your wife. Our mother, she also died during childbearing. Papa, what is it? Look at me and Nduka. Just look at us. From January till December, that's how we're struggling. Under rain, under sun. Yet we cannot come back to the village and say we're bringing a bag of rice or 1 carton of biscuit or anything to the village.
Come on, 50,000 naira that we borrowed from Chief Akukalia 2 years ago. That is what we are finding very difficult to pay back, oh Papa. Very difficult to pay back. Okay, see, Maduka here. He owns a shop.
Not just a small shop. Oh.
Very big shop in Onitsha. Okay, look at me. He had a shop. I own filled up shop in Aba. But 50,000 naira, Papa. 50,000 naira, that's small boys. Give their girlfriends. They use it to eat Nkwabi, Isheu, Odeku. That's what we are finding very difficult to pay.
You see, my sons, life is not a bed of roses. No one chooses the course of his life. Whatever the gods decide for you, that you must surely have. You cannot You can never change your destiny. Akalaka.
God forbid. Holy Ghost fire.
But God forbid.
Holy Ghost fire.
We are not destined to be poor.
Poverty.
It's not an option at all. Papa, let me tell you. Papa, we are not the only people from this village. Why are we this poor?
Don't worry. Don't worry. Very soon, the wind of change will blow on us.
Papa. That is not possible, Papa. We are not going to wait for the wind of change to blow on us. We are going to, in fact, we are going to blow the wind of change.
I'm telling you.
What do you think?
Let me tell you, we will dig this thing. We will dig this thing, we will dig it to the end.
To the end.
Papa, this thing is not ordinary. It is not ordinary. Look at.
Can it be possible that way?
We must find out, Papa, where this problem is coming from. This poverty. We are not destined to be poor. We are not, Papa. We must dig this into the end. Look at us.
Papa, let's go inside. Okay. Yeah, put your hand.
I hope you sent food to your cousins.
I did.
But they can't be hindered.
Yeah, Papa, they were very happy about what I did today.
Super tigress.
Yeah, I'm not any tigress. Yeah, I'm your daughter. Eh?
Oh.
Cassie. They really thanked me. They said I should have kicked that man, eh? Or I should have tied him and get him.
Just take me. Stop talking. Talk too much.
Papa. I wanted to give you situation report now. Hey! Oyana! Hey! Now, wow. I said I want to give you for this time. Go and play.
Cassie, you know you're not supposed to be in this village. You're supposed to be in the city. All your mates that wrote SSC with you, they've all migrated to the city. And you are still here in the village. You're not supposed to be here.
And Cassie, see, that we are poor doesn't mean that we cannot take care of our only cousin. The only female in the family. See, Cassie, let me tell you something. You have to make a choice. Do you understand? You have to choose either to come to Onitsha or Aba. Times are changing. You need to come and get exposed, for crying out loud.
No, she will come to Onitsha.
Yeah, it's not as if I want to remain in this village. Like, I don't want to go to the city. But if I leave now, check out now. Who will take care of our old parents? Look at your father, look at my father. They're all old. Who will take care of them?
It mustn't be you. Huh?
Yes.
We can just go to this neighboring village here, hire or rent one of these children, maybe a boy or a girl, to come and run errands for them, not you. Huh? You should be thinking of how to come to the city. See, nobody is ready to marry a local girl, and you're being too local. Don't like it.
Not this 21st century.
Look at this. Must I marry? Happen that thing, let me tell you something, man. If me going to the city means that I am going to get married, I don't need that city. Huh? I'm not interested. Because as you see me right now, I'm not even ready to get married.
Hi. I wish Grandma was alive. I wish she was alive to see her prophecy. She told us that your father was asking the gods to give him a male child. And the gods answered his prayers. And gave him a man in a woman's disguise. You don't have anything to show that you're a woman.
I wish Grandma were alive to see her prophecies come to pass.
People should stop all this grammar that people are speaking. What is all this lamentation now? Leave that thing, man. See, people can say all you like. I'm a woman. Huh? Check her out, man.
What's this thing you always...
I'm a woman.
You don't have anything to show that you're a woman. No?
What is this?
Which one?
Because it's not... Anyway, I'll have to leave you to go. It's getting late.
Every time you...
What is your problem? What
Sorry,
I'm... see me,
When we are the one that used to give her knicker and trouser.
Hey, meanwhile, you didn't give me the other one. No, take. You need this money. Join it for your transport fare.
Because you take the money, you need the money.
Leave it. He needs it more than I do. Now, I'm very sure that when this blessing comes, you will not forget your sister.
And what's this thing you always... What is this thing you always...
You have to hold our local government tight.
Hey.
Bye-bye,
It's all your fault, too. Huh? It's all your fault. All these big trousers I used to give to her that she would be doing like this.
Hey, you didn't give me those other trousers that you were going to give me now.
It's inside the waterproof under the bed. Papa's bed.
Now, let me go for Papa's errand. People should go fast, though. One love, brother. Hey, Maduka, easy time.
Nkasi obi, onya obi, obu wanye bulu moke. Odanu nti ode kwekwe. Nkasi obi, onya obi, obu wanye bulu moke. Odanu nti ode kwekwe. Oneje kandi ame, heya, heya. Ona agba karate, danger, danger. Imana dati gialo, were manpower. You don't suffer.
Nkasi. I'm just coming from your place. They say you went to see Maduka and Ihenacho off.
Yeah, Ginidi. That's what? Am I on you?
I forgot all this, Anyati. I want us to go hunting.
Hey, hunting. Hunting, kwa. As what? Look, yeah, as husband and wife or what? Am I your girlfriend?
Listen, for almost 2 weeks now, nobody has ever gone into the Ekpafura. I want us to go out there and hunt. Are you going or not?
Yeah, I'm not going.
How about all this? Look, I'm going to because as at this time, I do come interested. Let me tell you what I think about it's all about psycho.
Yeah, let me tell you something. You're outside, oh. Be careful the way you open your trousers. If you bust now, your blockers will come outside. Children will gather and laugh you.
What is blockers? What is blockers?
Blockers. I should show you blockers. Yeah, man, go your hunting.
Everything, yeah. Boggy man, what is it, sir? Are you the only one?
Nkasi onya obi, obu wanye bulu moke. Odanu nti ode kwekwe. Oneje kandi ame, heya, heya. Ona agba karate, danger, danger. Imana dati gialo, were manpower. You don't suffer. Nkasi obi, onya obi, obu wanye bulu moke.
Good morning.
Kasi, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
What about your father? I hope those herbs I brought to him are helping him to do better now.
Yeah, I wish they are. Yeah, anyway, the reason why I came here is Ebuka. You see, we have been waiting for Ebuka for 4 days now. He's supposed to come and harvest our palm fruit. Yeah, Ebuka has not shown up.
Ebuka has been busy harvesting palm fruit from one village to another. Even as I'm talking to you now, he is at Umozobo. And I don't think he will come back till evening.
Nine, we paid him first before those people paid him. Yeah, what stops him from coming to harvest our own before he goes to do the other one? Is it not the same money that we all paid?
But why don't check on Simon? He does it better.
Stop, Simon! Nah, Simon does not like to harvest first.
Why?
I don't know.
Okay, I've heard what you said. When he comes back, I will tell him.
Yeah, man. Ebuka! Yeah, Ebuka! Ebuka! It's alright. It's alright. Now I'll be going home.
Okay, sorry.
Ebuka is not doing well, oh. Nah, he's not good, oh. It's okay. It's alright. Just tell him I came. He should not let me come back. Okay.
It is time he dies. Let's finish the task we started years ago.
No, I don't want him dead now. That sickness we inflicted on him is enough. Let him continue in that painful state until I am ready for his death. Then we shall finally terminate him.
As you desire. so shall it be. The time to refine the bone.
What kind of life is this? Eh? What did I ever do that the gods have hardened their hearts and watch me pass through these pains and misery? Is it not enough that you denied me an heir while inflicting me with this deadly palsy? My palm fruits are all wasting in the bush. Nobody is willing to help harvest them for me, even when I am very much willing to pay. When I was strong enough, whoever went harvesting for me, who was it that could stand my speed up when I'm on the palm tree? The mighty is falling. A man of many woes, a man of many sorrows, I was born to be.
No, Papa. No, Papa, why are you saying all these things that you say? Eh? Is it because of common palm fruits? Papa, I thought they said that men are supposed to be brave-hearted. Why can you not just be courageous? Just have courage. Nya, Papa, tell me, what can a male child do for you that Nkaseka don't do for you? Nya, Papa, just tell me. All these things you're saying, I don't like them. Nya, Papa, I don't like them at all.
Oh, my daughter, my child of consolation, my early morning sun ray. Do not blame me for so much, because uneasy lies the head that bears the pains. I have feelings. I am a mortal. I am not a log of wood, my daughter.
Papa, don't worry. Nah, don't worry. Those palm fruits will not see the light of the day. There's Simon. There's Simon.
If you have come to call me to harvest palm fruit for your accursed father, then there is nothing good about this morning. You better turn back to where you came from.
Hey man, what did this my father do to you now? Nah, what did he do to you that you hate him so much? You cannot even show the man small mercy. If not for anything, for his condition now.
Are you saying that I am responsible for your father's misfortune?
Nah, I didn't say that. That's not, you know that is not what I said. There, Simon, all I'm saying is that it's just palm fruit now. What is there? Just harvest this thing for him.
I have no mercy to show. I cannot render any help. Let that man suffer his evil deeds. Don't involve me in your father's cause.
My father? Caused?
You will soon find out.
Papa, can you imagine? Eh? Yeah, I'm going to go and meet that day Simon to come and help us cut the palm fruit. I don't understand what that idiot was just talking about. He just refused to do it for us.
If you had told me that you were going to meet Simon, I would have told you not to go. Because I know it will be meaningless going to him. Huh? I don't understand. He wouldn't do it as long as he has to do with me. I don't know why some people naturally hate others without a cause. Simon doesn't want to hear my name mentioned at all. Well, he is not to blame. The gods are to blame. Huh? What? Just don't worry yourself, my daughter.
Nkasi, what are you meaning with us? Nkasi, I'm calling you, come back here.
Nkasi mamo, Nkasi obimo. Okwi biara no wakasie mobio Mwakego Nkemjika Sogi biaro wa ekasi mobio Nkasi mwamo Amumu no toto Nkasi mwamo Onwamu machichie Negarapo mona Negarapo anye naba Nkasi mwamo Ebo wamo Nkasi Kasi ebo bio Ofuna mwoke ofuna wanye Nkasi mwamo Emekwa na mifele Kasi ebo bio Abawakwa na mobi Nkasi mwamo do Kasi ebobio Kasi ebobi Nkasi mwamo
Kasi Okay, where are you coming from? Where are you coming from?
Yeah, are you blind? Can't you see my head that I went to pluck palm fruits?
You climbed the palm tree?
Yes.
Chinekeme. Hey! Amudala. You climbed the palm tree.
What did you expect me to do? Now, when that your evil father, that wizard of a father that you have, refused to help me and my father, now what did you expect me to do? Oh, sit down and die of hunger. You have failed. Go and tell that your wizard father that I said he failed.
Let me tell you something. Forget about my father out of this. That my father refused to help your father does not mean that you should tread upon an ancient, tradition. My love, look, see, it is a taboo. It is taboo to God. In fact, come on. Come on, your leg. What for good there? Let them not see it and it's something wrong. It's a taboo.
Man, shut up. Now, man, get away from here.
Can you hear me? What is really wrong with you? By the way, how did you climb that palm tree? I've never tried it myself.
Look at you. Now, how can you try it? Are you a man?
Oh, I'm not a man. You are the man.
Oh, you don't have eyes anymore. Now, give me my something. Let me get away from here. Give it to me.
I'll carry it.
Go on. I'm not playing with you now.
Go.
Now, take your time. Take your time, oh. Because you think you're not my friend, though. Don't. Now, cool down, oh. Now, I can say about pork and Respect yourself. Take your time, oh. Take your time. Don't. Take your time, oh. You are not a wicked father. Yeah, take your time, oh. You think because I smell with you sometimes that you are my friend?
I'm a Merugaho. Look at you. Hey, Merugaho.
Get away from
me. Body of Telagam.
I'm just. Don't let me lose it, oh. Wicked son of a witch father. Hey.
Nkasi, who harvested those palm fruits for you? Nkasi, I'm asking you, and you are walking away. I'm a Morian and Nkasi, I was asking you who harvested those palm fruits.
Papa, nobody. No, I did it by myself.
Nkasi, are you among those that mock me? Nkasi, you have joined my enemies to pull me down. Hey!
Nah, Papa, leave that, you know. Papa, there is no way that I will be alive. Nah, with my 2 hands and my 2 legs, and that palm fruit will be up in the tree, and there will be nobody to pull it down. Nah, like what Simon will be playing God. He should go and die. I did it myself. Nonsense.
I am talking about tradition, and you are telling me about palm fruits. Eh?
Papa, I don't care about that tradition. Now, I have that tradition talk right now. Now, Papa, let me tell you something. Any tradition that will make my father, my sick father, have hypertension, and every time you'll be miserable, you'll be crying about palm fruit, and I'll be sitting here, I cannot do anything. Now, Papa, I will destroy that kind of tradition. Now, Papa, let me tell you something. Now, every tradition was made by man, and it is also man that can spell any tradition.
Nkasi, I am talking about the tradition that was instituted from the origin of the world. You are telling me palm fruits. See, you don't understand the jeopardy you have put this family into, my daughter.
Nah, Papa, how put that in? Nothing will happen. Nah, Papa, I am here, alive. Nkasi is here. Let them do their worst. Nah, Papa, this is too much now. I am not afraid. I'm not even regretting what I did, though. I'm not. Tomorrow I'll go and pluck another palm fruit. Papa, please, put that in, because...
Nkasi has always proved to be stubborn, arrogant, rude, and what have you. What are we doing about it? If we fail to do something, our people will claim that there is no men in our Omona, that all of us are women. And I'm women.
In fact, I don't know what is wrong with our children. Children of nowadays. How can a lady take an ete to climb palm tree?
No, what am I becoming?
Hello. Hi. Umuna, if we keep quiet to this, a more abominable act will follow.
But
Mazuke, you haven't said anything.
What will he say? He has suddenly turned deaf and dumb. You're gonna say something, say the truth, and shame the devil.
Simon! Simon! Mind how you talk to me.
Otherwise,
at least I'm your elder.
Thank you.
Simon, it is true. You are going too far.
Nobody has said that what she did was right.
But what? But what, Ukuna? What are we going to do to stop this rubbish so other girls will not follow suit? That's what we should be talking about. Okay, if the Igbo hears about this, he's going to ask, what was the reaction of Omona? Organic Melo.
Omona, I shall have to suggest that we call on the youth to take this lady to the marketplace and give her 30 lashes of the cane.
That's what we're going to do. In fact, the 30 lashes won't be enough, because 30 will go to one Iberibike. Another 30 will go to the other Iberibike to make it 60 lashes. So now for you for that Ikemo. That's what we shall do. If we do it, other girls will be stopped from playing the same line.
Yes.
I get me?
Yes.
Reverend Sister Wanafono. Reverend Sister Wanafono. What would I back on them?
Oh.
Eh? Hey!
I'm not going anywhere. You must go. You see my force?
You must go. All the women agreed that the youth must take that girl to the village square and flog her. You must go.
Now, go and message you. Go and Monkoro. Osondu says he's not going to beat anybody. Osondu says he's not going to join them to beat anybody. Nobody can force me.
Oh! You have exposed yourself. Yes. All the secret affairs, all the meandering, behind the scene affairs are exposed now.
Oh, Papa.
You think I don't know?
Me,
Yes.
Papa, secret affair, meandering. Papa can go back you, can make us your open affair. To God, nobody can stop me. Nkasi is the girl I want to marry. To God.
Reverend Sister Wanafono. Osondo, if it were a different girl, you would have been the first to move. It's not true. If you bring that across family here for marriage, over my dead body.
Papa, what means you're planning to die very soon?
Huh?
You're planning to die very
You're
soon.
wishing me dead?
No, because to God, I've made up my mind. Nobody can stop me, not even you. To God, nobody.
Osondo, you are wishing your father dead
Papa,
because of Nkasi.
Papa, that is not unqueried Ross, my baby.
Eh?
Said it.
Reverend Sister Wanafono, let me go and see you, Mona. You must be dealt with. I promise you that.
What is it? Why can't you people leave the... What has the girl done to you people? Come and carry me to go and flog her now.
Nduka.
Simon, what brought about this military visit this early morning?
Look at what you're asking me. Did your brother tell you about what Umuna decided? That your irresponsible daughter...
useless daughter and your family that is useless. It is you that is irresponsible. Then Simon, you are the one that is irresponsible.
I know you very well. I know you! But by the time we finish with you, you will understand that no matter how tall an okra tree grows, it will never outgrow the owner. Never! Hey, two of you, go and bundle her to the village square.
You know I am an elder. At least if the girl talks to you arrogantly, you should have shown some respect.
Respect?
Tell me.
What respect?
Tell me, what is the problem?
There's nothing to explain. Nothing. Hey, bundle her. Let's move out from here.
I know you have no regards for me,
Why should I have?
but the gods of our land will judge you and I.
Papa, what is it now? Leave him alone. Nkasi is here. Nkasi is
They
here.
have judged you already. Look at your situation.
Nechuanuki, look at you. It is you that God has judged. Yes, Simon, it is you God has judged. Look at you. Are you any better? Look at you. Are you not a water leaf?
What are two of you waiting for?
Oh.
Tie up this girl. Let's get out of here. Tie her up. Reverend Sister, Reverend Sister, Hey! Are you running? Are you running? Are you running? Reverend Sister,
Come back. Nonsense. Go to fight Nkasi.
Hey!
Come on, get away from here. Get away. I said move. Before you take us and kill the old man. Want to come and fight Nkasi? Come! Come and fight Nkasi now! I don't think say anything. I'm here. Let them come.
Sacrilege! Unbelievable! This is an insubordination to our tradition and culture. And look down on us, the custodians of the culture. Aro. Mban. Ichandu, you are right. Absolutely right. For a girl to climb the palm tree, knowing fully well that is a taboo in this our community.
It's a proof for us to know that such a girl has no iota of regard, not for this cabinet, neither for the entire kingdom.
Igwe, for her to send away the Umuna youth with the cutlass is the peak of her gross insolence. As such, she should not be taken lightly at all. Mbano!
At all.
Dikeh, I've had you all. Chiendo, Chioka, Chiofodile. What I have to say for now is that it is not wise to establish a matter on one end, because you do not know which end will be the wrong one or the right one. So, Chief Guard.
Yes, Igwe.
Now, take 2 more guards with you and go to Omo Jara. Ask of Ichie Nduka Ofonze's compound. Tell his daughter, Nkasiobi, that her attention is needed in this palace. Immediately.
Yes, my lord.
You may now leave.
Later ostracized, banished from our land.
Nigerian, we have to wait until she comes so that we hear her own side of the story. That is the way things are done. Huh?
As a visit to you, Your Majesty.
Nkasi mwamo, nkasi obimo. Okwi biara no wakasi mobio mwakego nke mjika sogi biara wa ekasi mobio nkasi mwamo amumu no toto nkasi mwamo onwa mu machijie negara pomo na umu negara panye naba nkasi mamo.
Cousin, I have come to take you away from me.
Yeah, Papa, nobody's taking me away from you. Eat your food.
The Igwe have sent us to come and bring the castle to the palace. Now.
This is my son. Tell the Igwe to temper justice with mercy. That she is all I have now. I can neither walk nor do anything on my own now. She is both hands and legs to me. Oh?
If you people want to take me to the palace, now it has to be after my father's finished eating.
How dare you? How can you even think of keeping the Igwe and his cabinet waiting? My friend, drop that nonsense and let's
Tell her I'm a Chuanugi. You say? Are you talking to me? You say? Respect yourself. I will just break you into pieces now. Nonsense. Look, if you don't want to respect yourself, I will prove to you that 1,000 of you cannot move me from this compound.
Noah!
Shut up!
It's okay.
Look at these small rats.
It's okay, guys.
Is it because of this nylon you're wearing you think you've become a militant?
My friend.
Rats.
It's okay, guys. Please do that fast. We are waiting.
Idiot.
It's okay.
If you want me to follow you to the palace, it has to be in peace.
God save our land. Please do not let.
Papa, please eat this. Stop lamenting. The king called me. I'll go and see him and I'll come back.
Nkasi obi, onya obi, obu wanye bulu moke. Odanu nti ode kwekwe. Nkasi obi, onya obi, obu wanye bulu moke. Odanu nti ode kwekwe. Oneje kandi ame, heya, heya. Ona ba karate, danger, danger. Imana dati gialo, where manpower, otiego, you don't suffer. Nkasiobi, onya bobi, obuwanye bulumoke. Odanu ntode kwekwe.
Hey. See. They have come to take her to the Igwe. That sounds alright. She deserves to be taught a very big lesson. Honestly, her own is too much in this village. See who is coming. I beg you, let's go. Sweet and hear what he has to say to her.
One blow, 7 apples.
Wait. I want to talk to her.
Then you have to do that fast. Because the Igwe and his councils are waiting.
Nkasi, I'm following you to that palace. I want to be there myself.
As what? As my bodyguard.
What is really wrong with you? Get in the medical here. You know, this is a serious issue.
Osondu, go back to your father's house. I don't need your help.
See, I'm following you to that palace, whether you like it or not.
You want to follow me? Oh yeah, no, let's go. I will just tell the Igwe in council that you send me to go and cut the pumpkin.
Hey!
Don't follow me. Follow me, Osondu. Hey!
Okay. I'll see you when you come back.
Today she will see it.
That sounds right.
Then we deal with her today.
Busybody.
I beg you, I'm going. She will see you. Take care.
Young lady. Nkasobi.
Yes, my lord.
Why did you have to totally violate the traditions of our kingdom?
Igwe. It's not as if I
Hey, shut up your mouth! And stop this and comport yourself. Or we'll increase your punishment.
Where do you think you are? In your wretched father's house?
It's alright. It's alright. Nichi. Go ahead.
Thank you, my lord. Igwe, my king, I'm very sorry. Igwe, I never meant to disregard the customs and the traditions of our people.
What then was it, Nkasobi? Ever since you were born, till you grew up to this age, have you ever set your eyes upon a woman on top of a palm tree?
No, my lord.
What then made you think you can climb up the palm tree? Do you want everybody to run away from you in this village?
Agunwanyi, the dreaded dragon.
Igwe, my elders, as you all know, my father is a man of many sorrows. My father has been sick for quite some time, and I'm his only child. Igwe, my father's palm fruit has been ripe for a long time, and we have been looking for who to help us cut it. Igwe, I went to all our kingsmen. I went to everybody's house, begging them to help me harvest my father's palm fruit. Igwe, everybody refused. I even offered to pay money so they could help harvest my father's palm fruit. Igwe, nobody agreed to help us. Igwe, we had nothing to survive on. And I could not take care of my sick father because there was no money and we were all hungry. So this made my father very sad. And every time he would be crying and lamenting that all his kingsmen hated him. Igwe, this broke my heart. And out of compassion, Igwe.
Hey! Stop all this, your sweet bird song of yours. Blah, 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 blah. You want us to sympathize with you?
Please allow the girl to finish up. Young lady.
Yes, Igwe.
Continue.
Thank you, Igwe. Igwe, it was because I needed to take care of my father. and nobody was ready to help me. Now we begged everybody, your Majesty, but they refused. So because of lack of what to eat and how to survive, my lord, that is why I went to do what I did, because I did not have any other choice.
That was why you chased your kinsmen out of your father's compound with a machete.
Che! Your Majesty, that is a lie, yo.
Liar! It's alright, Nkasi.
Yes, my king.
I hope you're not telling me lies.
My king, I swear on the grave of my late mother, if I have ever told you any lie concerning this issue, let's go.
Hold it then. Get up, my daughter. Get up.
Thank you, my king.
You may go.
Thank you, my king.
Igwe, it's my judgment. Yes, I have spoken. I have spoken. Igwe.
Nkasi mwamo, amumu no toto. Nkasi mwamo, onwamu machijie. Negarapo mona, negarapo anye naba. Nkasi mwamo, ebo wamo. Nkasi, kasi ebo bio.
Igwe, there is no reason whatsoever justifiable for the violation of the ancient culture of this great kingdom.
Igwe, if this girl is left to go scot-free, tomorrow, other girls, other women will take after her. They will even look down on our traditions, even look down on us, their husband. Come on, my people. Let us embrace reality and shun fantasy. Igwe, this whole house are the custodians of our culture and tradition. You, the Igwe, as well as the Ndiche. Our primary duty is to see to it that the culture and tradition that was handed over to us by our forefathers must be kept to the letter. So, of what use is gender tradition when the joy and well-being of a man, an afflicted man, is in danger? And what will it profit us to keep all the gender traditions and leave a soul to suffer in pains, languish in pains and misery and sorrow of heart?
So what were you thinking?
Just a smaller form of punishment.
Yeah, you want them to punish me? No, that's what you want. No. You know, you are just as wicked as those wicked elders.
How can you say that now?
Yeah, if you see, when the king said I should go, you needed to have seen the faces of those chairs. Wicked people. They look like people that just saw Willy. I'm telling you. Yeah, man. The king said I should go. I just took off.
But let me tell you, Nkasi, I was scared though.
Scared of what?
Because I don't want anything to happen to my Nkasi, my love, my sweetheart.
Now, who is your love?
You now. Let me tell you. I've already told my father that you are the girl I must marry. Already told me he's aware of it.
Oh yeah? Ngwanu, Bianaba.
For what now?
Bianaba!
God, are you not a woman? Will you marry yourself?
Yeah. Look, it is time to go. Because I brought you to see that you want to balance in my father's house. Bianaba!
Listen, anytime I tell you about the love I have for you, you always pretend as if you don't like me, but I know that you love me, pretender. Pretender, look at it.
Love
you.
Go to your house. It's late. Go and sleep.
I'm not going.
I say go to your house. Because I gave you chair to sit. You want to balance. Yeah, go. Love and food. I will beat you now. See, I will think I'm afraid. Don't let me.
Come on, follow me.
Come.
Okay. So the total cost we have made is 48,000 naira.
No, Papa, 46,500.
Are you subtracting 1,500 naira we made from half gallon of oil?
But Papa, she bought on credit.
But she will still pay. She will pay. See, let's regard our total cost as cash in hand and then credit owed. Yeah. They will all come together. If we fail to do it that way, we might end up having the wrong figure.
Oh, it's confusing. Hey, Papa, Pico, Papa, please, I'll come back, you know. Let me go and check my trap.
Also, let me ask you, is this your trap business more important than our farming business?
Not really, but Papa, I've already finished checking now.
Let's tidy it up. This your trap business is distracting you from this our farming business. But I was thinking it's just a hobby. It's a hobby.
And Pico, no, let me just go. This one that the thing has stopped, so that another person does not carry my trap. Pico.
Hey!
Papa, Pico, I'll be back now. This one that the thing has touched my mind.
Reverend sister, Abba phone. Reverend sister, Abba phone. Huh?
Yeah. Why you sleep at this time of the day? Come on, get up, you just relax. What's the happen?
As person no see customer now. What the person go do? No be to sleep.
Yeah. See, I get customers from my shop. You give me 5 packets of paracetamol and 5 packets of Panadol extra. Make I take complete goods for customer.
I don't get paracetamol.
You don't get paracetamol? Give me the Panadol like that, make I go and take.
That one no dey safe.
No paracetamol, no Panadol. All these cartons where they just empty.
One brother, life don't tire me. Ikuwa gugom.
Yeah, this is your matter. Make I quickly discharge the customer in my shop. I will see you later.
See, your Oga is a very godly man. I mean, he's a devoted Christian. All the apprentices he settled, they're all doing very well. You understand? Some of them have cars, they have landed properties.
One brother, my Oga settled me well. That man put him money. The man settled me well. Okay? And let me tell you something. My Oga is not diabolic. That man, he is not diabolic. You know, I suspect that my problems actually is coming from my family.
Why do you think so?
Huh?
Yes, why do you think so?
Okay. Now take a look at my brother Maduka. Maduka is suffering the same thing in Onitsha. My father and his brother, they have become objects of mockery in our community. No, tell me.
Is this like a family curse?
Some sort of family curse.
Then you should do something about it.
What do we do?
Listen, even in the Bible it is there that when you seek, you shall find. You can't just fold your hands and ask me, what do you do? Go to all these prayer houses, all these white garment church, think of something, look for a solution and, solve this problem. Huh?
You know how much I detest those religious maneuvers, Sabi? You know how much I detest them.
Sure, you have to forget about this and fight your cause. If you don't fight it now, you'll be a laughing stock in your own market. That's it.
Hey! Hey!
Hey, drink now, drink.
and never return back. So shall every word that comes out from my mouth, it shall never return back void, but it must accomplish that which is sent for. Somebody say hallelujah. Hallelujah. Because he that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty God. Today is our liberation hour. Today, you will step majestically into your victory in Jesus' name. In the name of Jesus. Your life will never be the same today. Amen. Glory to God.
Hallelujah.
Step forward. You, step forward. Your name is Ikiruga. The Lord has remembered you today. You are the only girl in your family. Glory to God. Hallelujah, somebody! Came here in respect of your academics. You want to gain admission into the university.
Yes, Prophet. I want to.
This is the final bus stop. This is the final bus stop. You will never leave here the same in Jesus' name.
Amen.
And you? What have you done to her life? What have you done to her career? 5 exams, 5 failures. Today is your Waterloo. Out of her! I say out of her! Amen. Out of her! Amen. Sister, for the fact that you stepped your feet into this tabernacle, the Lord has remembered you.
Amen.
This shall be the last jam you will ever sit for in your life. In Jesus' name! In Jesus' name! In the name of Jesus! Glory to God! Receive your miracle! Glory to God! God answered by fire! Hey, young man! You, yes, you. Stand up. Yeah, yes, you. Come on. Glory to God. The Lord is doing a new thing in our life. Today, I'm going to shout hallelujah! In this liberation hour, your life will never be the same. Step forward, young man. Step forward, young man. I know you. What is your name? Ihanacho. I know you Ihanacho. Ihanacho. Ihe niile na-achọ, ị na-achọ ụlọ, ị na-achọ nwaanyị, ị na-achọ ọrụ, ị na-achọ ego, ihe niile na-achọ, ị ga-abịa today. In the mighty name of Jesus. Clap for Jesus. Things are not going the way you want them to go. Spirit of failure. You walk like an elephant, but yet you feel like an ant. Say, God forbid! God forbid!
Pastor, I want to know why things are not moving on well in my family.
Sunday are set to our courses. Oh my God! Open around you and this hardworking young man. Wickedness of people. God. A mother. How can a mother be this wicked to his son? Oh my God, people of God. Say God forbid. God forbid. My brother, the mother in the village is a witch.
But Pastor, my mother died many years ago.
Glory to God. I mean, your mother's sister. Yes, your mother's sister is your mother. Your mother's mother is your mother. Your mother's auntie is your mother. Your mother's grandmother is your mother. He feeds you, he eats you, he clothes you. It's your mother.
Pastor, my mother happens to be the only daughter in the family.
Your uncle's wife is your mother. Your uncle's wife is your mother. By the left side, your uncle's wife is a witch.
Pastor, my uncle's wife died many years ago and I have only one uncle.
You stubborn spirit of stubbornness, spirit of recalcitrance, you stubborn spirit, out of here! Kashakara, young man, the case is very complex. Listen to me. You see me in my face? No. You have to come back next week Wednesday. The Holy Ghost is still investigating. The Holy Ghost will investigate more on this matter. The 24 elders will sit and deliberate on this your case. But I assure you, for the fact that you stepped your feet on this tabernacle, your life will never be the same. In Jesus' name! In Jesus' name! Stand up and somebody! Stand up and somebody!
Wait, I told you I don't trust all these prophets. They're all fake. F-A-K-E, fake.
You mean they're all fake? What you see was seen clearly for other people.
How come he suddenly became blind when it was time for him to see for my own case? How come?
See, listen, maybe it's your lack of faith that blinded the Holy Spirit.
Yeah, Bob. Are you sure that all the rubbish he's doing in there were not prearranged? Are you sure?
Rubbish, prearranged? What are you talking? See, let's just go. Let's leave it here.
Go where? Go where? My friend, don't follow me. I'm suspecting you. I'm suspecting you.
See, guy, we came together. Let's go together. What's that one? See, bring your voice down. Wait.
Uncle, good morning, Uncle.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. How's your father?
He's fine. He's fine. Yes, Uncle. Uncle, we're about leaving for the city now. We also want to inform Nkasi that we are leaving. So where is she?
You are ready to go?
Yes.
Nkasi went out too early to inspect her trap. And she ought to have been here by now. Maybe there's a development.
But Papa, Nkasi still hunts.
Nkasi is the best hunter in this village. Nobody can stand.
Maduka, Ato, how far now? Papa, I have good news.
Nkasi.
I'm telling you. Papa, check it out. I have good news, oh. Papa, as I was just going to check my traps like this.
Nkasi, you hold that thing well. Hold it well.
Don't worry, I people fear too much. It's just don't worry. I looked for my trap. I didn't see my trap. I was now worried, like, could somebody have stolen my trap? Papa, the next thing, I saw a trace of blood in the bush. I just followed the blood. I now saw my trap. It had caught this big grass cutter. Papa, do you know that the grass cutter wanted to take off with my trap? Papa, thank God for this God. I gunned it down. That's how I brought it home. Hey, what? Today is good, though.
You're welcome.
Chai.
Nkasi, who taught you how to use a gun in the village?
I taught her how to use a gun. It's my gun I use in hunting.
Bravo.
Thank you, my fans. Now, chop knuckle, man. I'm the girl.
So what are you going to do with your game now?
This one. This is 5,000. In fact, you see as this thing is like this now, Now, if I take this thing now to the main market, this in chain is 7,000.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
It's a lie. That means I won't go again to the city. Now, let me stay back so you can teach me how to hunt.
You're too soft. You cannot hunt, though. You are too soft.
Ma has taught her everything she needed to know.
Don't worry, it's okay. People should go to the city. You're ready to go,
That's why we should come and tell you that we'll be leaving.
Hey, my brothers, you people should go well, Don't worry. You fear too much. It's just a trap.
Oh, you are here. Hey. Take this gallon. Go and fetch some water for me. I'm doing something at the backyard. Oh?
Mama, Ijikwarase. Mama. I should take this dirty gallon. I should go and fetch water for me. Before I went to the city, fine, I've been the one fetching water. I can understand that.
But since I've been away, have you not been the one fetching the water? Mama, I can't fetch water. You've been the one fetching it since. Why should it be me that will fetch it now?
Hey, because you are around now, my daughter. If you are in the city, I will know that you are not around. But since you're back, there's no way you can sit down and I go fetching water for you. It's never done, my daughter.
Mama, hey. I cannot take this dirty galloon. I cannot fetch water. Yes. Look at my nails now. I should use these nails. I should fetch water with this gallon so I can break my nails. Okay. If I say I want to carry this gallon now on my head, who in this village can fix his hair for me? Who? I'm not fetching any water, Mama. I'm not fetching anything.
Hey. Nkechi. So because of this mommy water hair and nail you fixed, you wouldn't be of any help to your mother, Nkechi. Hey, go and see Nkasi, your friend. She does everything for her father and her uncle. She does the cooking, fetches the water. She even goes hunting. She sells the bush meats and still come back and take care of them. And you are sitting down here telling me your own mother, hey! I
tell you to stop comparing me with that girl. Stop comparing me with that girl, Mama. I don't like it, Mama. How can you be comparing me with that low class girl, that local champion? Mama, look at me. Look at me. Levels have changed. Can't you see?
Level up,
Mama. Hey. Don't talk my own finish.
Oh, okay. Level. Okay. Look what I'm joining us. Eh? Hey.
Makeup girl.
You and your makeup all the time. You don't come. Few hours ago, we want to be at the beginning of this year's masquerade festival. You won't miss her. And then I see this kid now. You won't play with me.
Anyway, me, I arrived like 2 hours ago with my boyfriend. Chimedu. Who again? Which boyfriend again? Again. You've been in his father's house by now, Sha. I don't know.
And maybe we shall join him in his car to the field this evening.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I don't know about that, Sha. You know he's one of the pioneers in the Abinachefi masquerade, so. Waiting. Waiting now?
I be one more follow the car now. Who show them say we don't come? Why with the car?
She made the festival at 5 days.
What should
and you go calm down now. One of these days you go enter.
No, go there, Joe. Go sit down.
Hey.
Oh, this guy won't do.
Hey, NK, what's about your friend, your tomboy friend?
She was our friend, our schoolmates. So why are you personalizing her to me?
But both of you were more intimate than both of us. So. Yeah. She was your friend now. You won't deny her because she be a Bobby.
I am now an uptown girl, classy to the core. Ijukare say, Johnny dress now. Hey, Kevin. I'm official. Hey, local champion. What is that? You go visit her.
No, visit her and our friends.
You can go. We go visit her.
We have to go.
With the win.
Cool down.
You have to
win.
Now you're welcome, man. Hey, look at them, man. Look at my girls. Now come and sit down. Hey. Sit. Hey. Look at you people. See how beautiful all of you look. Yeah, city life is good, oh. Look at all of you. Now see how beautiful all of you look. Look at see your nails. Now look at your eyelashes like my baby. He making picking. Hey! Now look at Moriona. You are now a very beautiful city girl. Remember those days now? Every little bully like this, you just start to pee in your pants. These days you have grown. They won't try you.
Point of correction. Her name is no more Moriona. Her name is Yvonne.
Nah, Charity, have that kind of childish talk. What are you talking about? The name her mother and her papa gave to her is Moriona.
You see? Cha-cha. Hey!
And like I said, her name is Yvonne, not Moriona.
Ewo. Nah, you Cha-cha. And you Yvonne.
That's my name, baby.
Hey! Hey! You can see. Kechi, what is your own name? What will I call you now?
NK baby.
Now, if I call you NK baby, you will answer.
Before uncle.
NK baby.
Chikweze now.
Hey, you can see. Child. Atalamsi poronku. Yeah, child.
Nkasi, you know it's not your fault. You're still very, very backward. You need to come to the city. Then you understand what we're talking about. Eh?
Yeah, until you come to the limelight. And be dusted of every village mindset and mentality. You need to change.
Child, my girls. You did too much. Maybe me say I'll change my name. What will I change my name from Nkasi to Nkankangwa? Nkankangwa. Child, Nkasi. There's nothing that one will not see in this life. Yeah, okay, so will you people still manage the local drinks that we used to drink before people went to the city? I don't know what people drink these days. But you know, the local Nkasi level now, yeah. Can I bring you something to drink?
We'll manage it.
We'll manage.
Hey!
I don't need anything.
Sing Mario. NK baby. Child. Nkasi has suffered.
What kind of rubbish is this? Who are we even waiting for, sir? Look at the time. Babe, we're running late. We're running late. I told you girls, Nkasi is not our class. She's nothing but a village girl. Yeah.
Baby, sure, we have to wait for her. Let's wait for her now, for old time's sake. She's still our friend. Please, let's just exercise a little patience. Let's exercise a little patience. We promised to go to the field together. To be unfair for us to leave her behind. Just calm down. She'll soon be here.
What be the best one that's waiting for you?
Hey, girls, what's up now? Yeah, look at how all of you are looking hot. Hey, now check out my baby girl. Now see me now. I'm so sorry. I had to, now you know now, make food for my uncle and my father, and then take them to package myself. Now, babe, check her out.
Just take a good look at us. What are you wearing?
Dress.
She put that person for this. Nkasi.
Nah, you don't like the dress.
For your mind now, you deck. You wear canvas with white socks. We wear bubu gown with face cap. You deck. You won't follow us now. Waka for already come out, Abi? What kind of rubbish is this? I should be waiting for this Mbeke girl, Abi. Call my name with respect. You hear?
Come on, crochet Pogeba.
What is it? What?
Nkasi said she was going to join you people to the field. She did not join you again.
Also does what? As Nkechi's friend or what? Do we still look like village in Mbeke to you?
Is she not in your clique?
What kind of rubbish, stupid clique is that one? Also, look at us now. Do we look like Nkasi or are we dressed like Nkasi? Are we of the same class? Chikweze.
What class are you going?
No,
Don't mind the village tout. He's looking for his village mate.
Oh, moi also the village tout. Then what are you people all? Ofogri, achikote ekwono. Come on, shishi Paul eba.
When a village Akatogri marries a village Mwenke, they will give birth to a village Mwenke.
Come on, Susu Paul eba, shishi. They're talking about people who have seen like Ofogri collection. They know him now, man. She know them. Come on, shishi boy. Nonsense. Have you making me to miss? Come on, Zuzu no bother. Nonsense, you know. You're wearing.
Nkechi. Yeah, Nkechi, because you now live in Onitsha. You have now become a city girl. And Moa, Gassi. Yeah, since I still live in the village, Nkechi, I am down and beke in your eyes. Why? Hey! Why am I even bothering myself with this stupid girl? Yeah, it's like you have forgotten how I used to be in school. No? Nkechi, you have forgotten what Nkechi used to do to Nkechi in school. Don't worry. Yeah, don't worry. It's okay. It's alright. I will treat your fuck up. Nkechi, I will treat your fuck up. Okay. It's alright. It's alright.
Nkasi obi, onye akpa obi, ọ bụ nwaanyị bụrụ nwoke. Ọ danụ ntị ọ dị ekwe ekwe. Nkasi obi, onye akpa obi, ọ bụ nwaanyị bụrụ nwoke. Ọ danụ ntị ọ dị ekwe ekwe. Ọ na-eje ka ndị amị, heya heya, ọ na-agba karate, danger danger. Ịma na dati gị alụ, were manpower, otie gị ọkpọ, you don suffer. Nkasi obi, onye akpa obi, ọ bụ nwaanyị bụrụ nwoke. Ọ danụ ntị ọ dị ekwe ekwe.
Nkechi, what's up? Nkechi, what's the meaning of this?
Meaning of what? Now, do I look like I have time to play with you? Huh?
Nkechi! Nkechi, stop me! Nkechi! 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 Nkechi, because! No! Nobody was there to even come and help me, Lucy. Do something, do something.
My love.
Stop crying. Not my love matter.
Stop crying. I can see this girl is proving to be strong-headed in this village. I'll show her something. This time around, I'll show her something. Okay, I have a plan. I will arrange my Akunichini boys. They will lay an ambush on her, strip her naked, and give her the beating of her life. I think that will make you happy.
That girl deserves even worse than this. She deserves it. How can she do this to you?
Babe, sorry, Sorry.
Ladies, don't worry. Since
she has stepped on the tail of a cobra. Obviously, she will feel the venom of a cobra.
Sure.
She will.
Mama ajukwa ese.
Ona ajukwa ese.
Ajukwa ese.
Ha.
Kasi. Tell me the truth. Did you beat her?
No.
I heard you yesterday when you were crying about what your friend Nkechi did to you.
Nah, Papa, that stupid girl. Nah, the girl is very stupid.
That did not answer my question, young girl. Did you beat her?
Papa, she's not my friend, though.
But did you beat her?
Nah, Papa, why that girl does not even know her mate? Nah, see me, oh, am I her mate? The girl insulted me. She likes to insult me every time. I see we call these small girls these days. Yeah, man, the girl is very useless.
Nkasi, why? Why now, Nkasi? Eh? Why do you find it hard to obey simple instructions?
Okay, Papa, I only just slapped her. She started shouting as if I had killed her already.
You want to turn yourself into a warrior?
Papa, I'm sorry. Yeah, Papa, the girl, she humiliated me. You didn't have seen what she did to me. And there were people there. I had to do something to her too.
By disobeying your father's instruction. I am my daughter.
Papa, sorry, now I won't do it again. Yeah, but that girl is very stupid. And please, next time, don't call her my friend.
Don't beat her again. Give me it.
So, because it's...
Guys, before we go, I would like both of you to do something for me. Please.
What is that, Chinedu? We're all ears.
You know that Ngbeke village girl that laid ambush on my girl?
Wait a minute, you mean Nkasi?
Yes, Nkasi.
Oh, okay.
I would like both of you to disguise in the masquerade and give her the thorough beating of her life. I mean the thorough beating of her life. That girl has beaten more than she can chew. And I want all this to be done before the end of the masquerade festival.
Nedu. I'm not sure that will be possible. It won't work.
Ifeanyi, why won't it be possible? Tell me.
You see, the Igwe warned us of any molestation. Any kind of molestation. With such warning, we can't go past his warnings.
Yes. You see, any masquerade found molesting any girl will not only be fined, but also will be banned from next year's masquerade festival. You won't.
How would Igwe find out that we are the ones that did it? How will he find out?
That's the reasons for the number tags. You see, with such tags, any masquerade that misbehaves will be traced easily.
In that case, you may not be doing it at the festive time, but at the early hours of the day. This time around, no tags, no number tags.
There is sense in what you've just said.
Remember what that girl did to us, Ifeanyi?
Abi? And this one we're having Max now. Will she fire the spirit?
No one can tell what she's up to.
I hope we are game for this.
We are.
All right.
Abi?
Let's do it. We are.
So let's go then.
Yeah, I'm going. We'll see tomorrow then. Okay?
All right.
Okay. Take care.
sent you? Open this thing! Open! Hey! Emeka! Come out here! Come out here! Emeka, now you came to fight me! Emeka, who sent you? Who sent you? Oh! Emeka Chinedu sent you after Nkasi and you came! Now shut up! Pull it! Pull everything! Pull it now! Now, you're very lucky. If my father had not made me promise him now that I was not going to fight again, now I would have designed your face for you. Pull it! Come, remove it! Remove it! Remove it! Peter! Move! Remove it! Remove it! Manu! Get out of here! Scallywag! Nonsense! Nasio! They sent you after Nkasi and you came! Hey! Go and tell them that Nkasi is still alive! Nonsense! Now I will show you people in this village! Nonsense! You want to try Nkasi Obi? Now you are very stupid!
To bring back his corpse to his compound and lower him to the Mother Earth. Then tomorrow we start the actual burial rites.
Well, it is a good thing that he was a traditionalist, because God knows that my 1 naira wouldn't have been spent on his mortuary bills.
Che! Ugonna. Ugonna.
Uncle.
Here the ban. Here the ban.
Uncle, please, Uncle.
What are you doing? Why are you leaving?
Uncle, please forgive him. Forgive him so his soul could rest in peace.
You know what? Yeah, I loved my uncle like I would love my own father. I never knew that. Yeah, he could.
That's it, it's okay. It's okay. I know what